First, the top news headlines. Jiribam farmers yearn for start of double cropping. Minister Karam Sham inaugurates Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Private Limited. And Prime Minister Modi to address rally in Assam's Pokrajar today. A very good afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai with the news in details. People of Jiribam want to start double cropping in the districts to increase productivity. Jiribam, one of the important districts of Manipur, has a humid subtropical climate with shorter winter season and longer rainy season. It is situated 36 meters above the sea level. The district has an average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius with a 2,920 millimeter rainfall record. Speaking exclusively to Times of Manipur Television, General Secretary of Manipur, Lomi Marup Jiribam Branch, Chandam Biren Singh, said that manure production will be beneficial for the district as most of the locals are farmers. Biren added that oil residue left behind by tractors and heavy machineries in the field is disturbing productivity. He also urged the concerned authority to look into the issue concerning lack of proper irrigation system in the Jiribam paddy fields. Biren said that farmers in the district are unable to improve crop yields owing to lack of proper facilities. He lamented that there is inadequate staff at the agriculture office in the district and urged for allocation of adequate strength of officers for the welfare of the farmers. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham today inaugurated Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Private Limited at Rims Road, Imphal. Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Jackie Sanasam, and Board of Directors Brian Mutum Rakesh and Herojit were present at the occasion. The newly opened hospital will be the first Internet of Things-based hospital in the region. Other features include latest modular operation theatre and patient application for health record. The newly opened hospital also has facilities of CT scan, ultrasound, ECG, ICU, isolation room, OT room, labor room, dialysis VIP room, etc. Speaking at the occasion, Minister Karam Sham said that hospitals in Manipur have no shortage of doctors, but they have technology issue. He expressed hope that the Lamjingba Hospital will be a great boon to the healthcare system in the state. He also urged the public to appreciate and encourage someone's good deeds.
Aduna ngasi Lamjingba Group ki Shumba Hospital aduga Medical Research Institute si labanina mapanda koina satlaga di lying bangamdabagi paisa huge amount expenditure se Lamjingba Group si di lerak padagi expenditure sima sungsoi choidna handagane habagi thajabaduma lai anisubada people confidence sama ngasi media na sidalai equipment singsi fazana plus tobiraga Manipur Prajagi Awaba se Karmakaidi solve Toruba Namagani Habagi Tazaba confidence sama Sagat Pada Soba my Paco Wigani Habagi Tazabadu Ingon the Legery.
At the event, Chairman of Lamjingba Group, Jackie Sanasam, said that the hospital has been open to serve humanity and assured that the hospital will try its best to provide the best service to the masses.
Manipur da lairiba hospital private hospital adaga government ki hospital lairi sing ju akoi masidagi haidi in terms of fee gi matang da su akoi na kaisu henna laudana haidi hanana lairami ba sing jagi pho ta na akoi na henna service si tawba ngam na ngai hona jage haidi haiba line si da di phana loksing laire haidana akoi na sigi trace si da di akoi na khangba na tabani na haitabani na ngasagi akoi na atang khulai adagi afaba adagi working environment nam create tawtargasu tawgaduriba thabak sing asina staff sing amadi doctor sing asina dedicate tawdraga di akoina tawningi asi fulfill tawng amoidabni na haidi mayamgi support changi amadi thawai yawba puksen sengba amadi kathokpagi kaino adu aidi tohoningi habasi masu ai thamjage.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive in Assam around 1 p.m. today for the first time after the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act came into force. He is scheduled to address a public rally at the Boro Territorial Area District days after the government signed the Boro Accord for lasting peace in the region. Protests has broken out in Assam after the parliament passed the new citizenship law, and Modi had cancelled his 2 visits to the state for various reasons, including one with Japanese Premier Shinzo Abe. An information, education and communication program on Jal Jeevan Mission was held yesterday at the election counting hall of Taubal DC complex. Under the Jal Jeevan Mission, all the households in the district will be provided clean drinking water by 2024. District Water Sanitation, Taubal and Public Health Engineering Taubal Division jointly organized the program. Taubal Zilla Parishad Adhyaksha Hasina Begum, Deputy Commissioner Taubal District Nongmaitem Bandana, ADM Taubal El Radhakanta shared the dais during the program. PHED Taubal Division Executive Engineer N. Livingstone said that PHED and District Water and Sanitation have initiated various steps related to Jal Jeevan Mission in Taubal. He urged the masses to extend support in making the mission a success.
Step awareness program present situation scheme gi leriba mong scheme gi leriba kogi magi functionality sigumasi koi naina ro matungda functional household tap connection ji pibang nabugi damakta ko Jal Jeevan Mission amasung SBM gi kogi mission asida mayam punamak chapmanana public na contribution to biraga mission si mai paknaba sansan bada mayam.
Now let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Wabiraganu Medilena pung kunmari chupna adongi yumda medical oxygen thinba lakpata natana installation tawwa yabagi khudong chaba pijari masita natana darkar laiba oxygen regulator amadi makhal khudingmaki oxygen mask singbana miyang mateng pangjari
loinana anaba singamari leinaba makhal khudingmaki medical equipment sing foldable bed suction machine regulator monitor nebulizer wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudong chaba pijari adomsunga sima call tawduna tanabiyu aikhogi contact number 9205987988 amadi play store da changbiduna Medline F download tabiyu.
This new year 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Considering the coronavirus outbreak in China and other countries, the additional Food Safety Commissioner, Manipur, has imposed a ban on import of packaged food items from China, Myanmar and other Southeast Asian countries which do not comply with the Food Safety and Standards Import Regulations 2017. According to a notification from Director of Health Services, Manipur, Dr. K. Rajo Singh, no person shall import any article of food without an import license from the Central Licensing and Registration of Food Business Regulations 2017. A quick reaction team of Taobao Commando arrested a personnel of 6 Assam rifles along with 2,30,000 pieces of WY tablet during random checking of vehicles on Imphal Moray Road last night at around 8:30. The arrested has been identified as 35-year-old Yengkhom Bikram Singh, son of Y. Chandra Mohan of Kakching Moirangthem Laikai. The Assam Rifles personnel is currently posted in Arunachal Pradesh. The drugs were recovered from a Maruti Swift Desire with registration number MN01AG2307 in which Bikram was traveling, reports said. 2 armed masked miscreants robbed a mobile phone shop at Manipuri Bazaar on the outskirts of Imphal on the evening of February 5. All mobile phones and over Rs 2 lakh in cash had been robbed from Royal Accessories, a report said. The robbers also fired 2 rounds in the air to threaten the female employees of the shop. Avinay Sahu, aged 28, son of Sunil Sahu, Manipuri Devi Lane, owns the mobile shop. According to information gathered from the site, 2 masked men entered the shop at around 5:30 p.m. and took away the phones and the money, pointing a gun at Avinay Sahu. The armed man fired shots again when Avinay tried to follow them. A team of Imphal East Police, led by Superintendent of Police Jogeshwar Chandra Haubijam, rushed to the spot to take stock of the situation. No arrests have been made in connection with the incident.
अदुगा मयाम सी यानिंग दवा मसी सिगुम थौदोक से या खोइसो याम यानिंग दे याम नुंगा जदे खोइ सिगुम से दुकान द लागा गन पॉइंट द लागा लूट तोरागा मयाम से चंगजलगा पोचई मोबाइल अतांग अतांग मोबाइल का पुगी बनी असिदगी मयाम ताना बकान सिदा मतलब अखोइ गन ना फायरिंग सु तोरमी मसी अखोइ याम यानिंग दे अदुगी ngasi के सिट एंड प्रोटेस्ट हो जबनी
सब लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं, सब लोग कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं। यहाँ हम ऐसे आदमी को चाहे ऐसे लोगों को नहीं देख पा रहे हैं जो घर में बैठे बिना कमाए रोजी रोटी कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। सभी काम कर रहे हैं, सभी अपने काम में व्यस्त हैं और सब लोग जो है अपने रोजी रोटी कमाने में मैं आपसे कह करके बुला लेता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Another short commercial break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The budget session of Nagaland Legislative Assembly will resume today. This was informed by official sources in Kohima yesterday. The session resumes after a gap of 20 days. The Speaker had adjourned the House after the ratification of the Constitution 126th Amendment Bill 2019 on the first day of the session on January 17 last. The election of the Speaker will also be held today. The ruling People's Democratic Alliance PDA nominee is Deputy Speaker Sharingain Longkumer, while Dr. Imtiwapang Air has filed nomination as the opposition candidate. State Chief Minister Nifu Rio, who also holds a finance portfolio, will present the budget 2020-21 on the penultimate day of the session. It will be taken up for consideration and passing on February 14 next. The Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, is likely to be taken up through discussion on matters of urgent public importance on February 8. The House will also take up debate on the motion of thanks to the Governor's address delivered on January 17. Taranjit Singh Sandhu, Indian ambassador to the United States, presented his credentials to President Donald Trump yesterday. The brief meeting that followed President Trump welcomed Sandhu, a veteran of India-US ties with experience of dealing with a relationship spanning decades, to Washington, D.C. and wished him success. President Trump was very positive about Indo-US relations in the run-up to his visit to India. President Trump's visit is expected to be anywhere between 23 and 27 February, with an event in Ahmedabad. There has, however, not been any confirmation of the dates yet. In a statement, the Indian embassy said President Trump had fondly recalled during his conversation with Taranjit Singh Sandhu his friendship with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and their several interactions. Sandhu spoke about Prime Minister Modi's vision and guidance that had helped move relations between the two countries towards greater strategic convergence. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Natalie Siva smashed a strokeful 50 as England beat India by 4 wickets in the 4th T20 of the Women's Triangular Series in Melbourne today. Sent in to bat opener Smriti Madhana top scored with a 40-ball 45 as India struggled to 123 for 6. England then returned to overhaul the target, scoring 124 for 6 with 7 balls to spare. Siva scored 50 off 38 balls with the help of 6 fours and a 6. For England, Anya Shrubsole, 3 at 31, took 3 wickets and Catherine Brunt, 2 at 23, scalped 2 to derail India's innings after they were sent in to bat at Junction Oval. Rajeshwari Gayakwad, 3 at 23, took 3 wickets while Radha Yadav, 1 at 24, scalped 1 for India. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, notice ignored for years, now growth to engine, says Modi. Street vendors protest curbing bazaars. No instruction yet to ban imports from Myanmar. Coronavirus alert in Nagaland. District task force formed in Dimapur. The People's Chronicle. Tencent lists 25,000 deaths, 1.54 lakh infections, 172 under scanner, 4 samples negative, says Dr. RK. Chief Minister vows more football grounds under floodlight. Atsum warns stir over unkept promise. DGP advised to assign State Public Information Officer in Police Department. Mobile phones, cash looted at gunpoint. Imphal Free Press. Health Department bans import of Myanmar China-made packaged food items. World Health Organization experts to meet in Geneva to fight back coronavirus.
News headlines once again. Jiribam farmers yearn for start of double cropping. Minister Karam Sham inaugurates Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Private Limited. And Prime Minister Modi to address rally in Assam's Kokrajhar today. That's the end of the bulletin. For the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.